Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the engine air filter on this 2025 Nissan Sentra. It's going to apply from 2020 all the way to 2025. Let's get to it. Alright, so before we go ahead and actually replace the filter, we have to open up the hood. To do that, we have a lever right here. Let's go ahead and pop that open. Alright, once the hood is popped open, you're going to want to go around this area where the Nissan logo is, and there's going to be a lever that you're going to push to the left and then lift. So it's going to be this lever right here. And then we have our hood prop. Put it in that little hole there. And then our main objective is this box right here. It's only held in by 2 clips. So you have this clip here. Just pull it out. And we have another one right here, outward. And then on this side, you'll notice that there are tabs. So there's one right here, and there's going to be one right there. That's what locks this in. So you're going to lift it up and then pull it out, and then you'll get your filter. It only goes in one way. We're not going to replace this filter just yet, but just wanted to show you how to do it. Put that in there, just make sure it's secured. And then what you're going to do is these tabs right here are going to go ahead and fit into that. So let's put it here. I'm going to make sure that it's in place, and you'll know it's good when it's matched up to the hooks. And that's it, we're done. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to change the engine air filter on this 2025 Nissan Sentra. It's going to apply from 2020 all the way to 2025. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.